Welcome students. Today we are going to start your 7th chapter, that's Wind on the Wheel. We are going to start a new poem. Okay. Now first let's see who has written this poem. Who is the poet? Okay. Okay, see. The poem has been written by A.A. Milne. A.A. Milne, who is an English poet, novelist and playwright. So he was an English poet, a novelist and as well as a playwright. What is a novelist and playwright? What does novelist and playwright mean? Novelist means a complete book containing one story. The main theme of it is a one main theme story. And playwright means dramas. Okay, that were actually meant to be performed in theatre. His best known works are his two collection of children poetry, but his main work, his popular works were his two collection of children poetry. Okay, When We Were Young and Now We Are Six. What are the two names of the two collection? When We Were Young and Now We Are Six. And his two books of stories about Teddy Bear, Winnie the Pooh and his friends. Okay, this is a great man who has written Winnie the Pooh, the famous cartoon that we used to watch, Winnie the Pooh. Okay, so now see what this poem is all about. See, we can see that this poem is about kids who are enjoying in a windy climate. Look at the picture over here. The picture is having few boys who are trying to fly kite, and it is a very windy weather where the trees are blowing vigorously, their leaves are blowing. So this poetry is all about kids like you. Okay, now see what the poem tells. No one can tell me, nobody knows where the wind comes from, where the wind goes. So this poem is telling about wind. What? No one can tell me. There is no person who can actually tell me, and nobody knows even that where the wind comes from and where the wind goes. What is the origin of the wind and what is the destination of the wind? When we go out, we see the wind is blowing, but we don't know from where the wind is coming, what is making the wind blow, and where the wind is moving to. Okay. It's flying from somewhere as fast as it can. I couldn't keep up with it, not if I ran. So, it has been saying that it is flying from somewhere. The wind flew from somewhere else, came towards us as fast as it can, and it blew as fast as it can, and I could not keep up with it, and I cannot run, I cannot fly as fast, or I cannot run as fast as the wind blow. Even if I run, I cannot make my pace similar to the wind even if I run. Okay, so students, before going to the next part, probably we guys all have known about the great cyclone Amphan that has created a havoc into West Bengal. So after we complete this poem, I am giving you a task that go to your mom and dad, as you guys are very young. I don't actually I don't know if you guys go through news or not. So I would ask you to go to your parents and ask what Amphan is and what it has done in several places of India as well as in Bangladesh. Okay, this is your home task for today. Now come to the next part. See, but if I stopped holding the string of my kite, it would blow with the wind for a day and night. So now what the boy is saying, what the poet is saying that, but if I stopped holding the string of my kite, the boy here is shown that he is holding the kite. But what if he leaves the kite? What if it leaves the kite? So if he leaves the string of the kite will blow along with the wind and it will move, it will blow with the wind for a day and a night. Okay. And then when I found it, wherever it blew, I should know that the wind had been going there too. So now if I lift the kite and I allow the kite to move with the wind, and in the next day or sometime later when I will be finding my kite, if I find again, I would know that the wind that has passed through me, the passed through my place, has also gone to that place. The evidence will be my kite. The evidence will be my kite. So then I could tell them where the wind goes, but where the wind comes from, nobody knows. So in this way, I can make out that where the wind has gone, the wind has came, and I can say where the wind has gone. But there is no way to know where the wind has actually come to me. I am over here, I am trying to flying the kite, I am leaving my kite with the wind so that later on I can find the kite somewhere and I can find out the place where the wind has gone. But there is no way to find where the wind has come from. Okay, so this is what the story is all about. The story is all about the origin and the destination of the wind. Okay. So you guys will be reading this entire poem, and in the next class we will be doing few of your answer the following question, and in the next chapter we will be starting. Okay, so this is your class for today. I hope all of you will go through this poem and see what enjoyment this poem gives to you, what is the work of wind and how the wind blows from one place to another. Okay, so till then, read the poem and stay home, stay safe.